HIV, TB, and malaria born trainers so on bay yet the hon some nature mono ebe bro fe boy Ryan some for from moon yakwa koshe and they one word one sika koto Gold Coast Fund Management by the one sa ato sa sika krabia no sika ka hono on bay bibi atra bino and on nsem bi na no pay mede bro sa Adom TV Badwam kase or share live or Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV channel ya 119 DSTV a 280 YouTube search Adom TV Tube ubenya ye ni dwumadi nka ye medi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni DMTA said and something chiremu ankasa etie Coalition of CSOs network in HIV TB and malaria bon timopo se wono ebeye ye chede atraban wo mu wi a wono nkrata watchro no de bia ko parliament de bia ko aban no ho nyina ne se enipa bia boa eye global fund one more aye donations so abeka epoja into one more extra mpedifo mo onsan kan tesadia obey bibia kire wo mo fi se no anu ade hwehwe wo ho wo apomdin mo nsem Adom TV kase etwase
afi atwam eye 2023 and the global fund ekra indro edemane yen sa indro ye ken esum bo over $40 million na niatine se afi bia no mo sending indro a no mo diska kakra ka ho se betum edi saska no eji indro no na afi nkwa de eye last year ba ye no aban se eye ye port charges any levies akosoro into global fund and first can be enka ho na global fund so say wo mo hihye mu no omo ntua to essence enduro no mo de chakwa na nke ye hwe anim se aban be hwe ma ye yinduro yi enso so bepimende essence asika na ye nya ntua yi tu enduro no aka habo
and esan ka so say enfa commissioner fofora woda GRA no ababe hunu wono mo se woyen hyehyɛ se de be ya containers obeyi ni nyina ama wono mo no wono mo de enya de se oforisi obosome de tosudun so awai wadwene so obeye wo ye kire no obesesa no
new commissioner general for the Ghana Revenue Authority Madam Julie Esiam obaha any yepeni for ebehia na mayeti ase se oni de new commissioner oba ya no beto se sa asemi eda ho nti otise be press conference no ena ofre ni apamfo no ena obi so mo se na dia na ekoso ena omoka mo fa nsem na ekire no no se sa na etie dia eya dia
Wanto akase no so na ye monwra ye nsam foforo mu na Ghana de hye bi a wo mo de wo musika koto Gold Coast Fund Management ye wi akire sa sika krabia na bind de nsa to so nti won senka won sika no achare dodo nti ne wo mbekire bibi de achira ban no se wo se won seka won sika no ode koto ho no enti sa wo bete won mo enka wo mo de nsam begun krata so e de akoma mrahye bedwafo na afi wo di hu dwuma de ama won na ne wo mkasa mu kra mpo de wa santemante mu no so omo antehwe dia omo forget ni tichu mampani abedi akire se obetu franka ma MPP amonya so nkunim Adom TV etwaso
Okoka Gold Coast ama Dr. Baomi ya oma be gubange no wo musi wo muntu ya yesika mayen enam sika ne homa yale mi manyina ja school gufie
me makwasa dade aye dwuma 31 years me sweat sika kakra me nyaye me de baye me de patu ko sindum be sinne je me declare
enu achi titinani a woda eye Gold Coast Fund Management e wa sentimentum era Charles Nyame ene Adom kase atwetwe enkomo echire mu se omo ma aban no abosome ensia awieye se wonfa ntua won sika ma mu anyesa pe ene abato abekoso e wa afi mu no wo nyina ebeka won ho abom etu ade atia NPP amanyeku no
Efiensia ni ene sika koka ho efiensia no ye members a omawu a ye wo ehon records over 900 of Gold Coast Fund Management customers na ewu some saka sika nka omo so ebetumi enyankwa atena ase abapem sam pepenswe ye ni pedimu bi edi nkomo ye ni nkomo enfa sika ne maaye de ye kan se ye hia ye sika enough is enough ye mpa o match obium by 30th of June se yensa anka ye sika na
Mines and Energy Committee, yeah, one Russia with a few months so, and one any grid co, VR in Penufua who do share, or any day and Simo. Now, the omjin who could do, or my and said, near Oma Juna could see and share Daquemunano, on the Begun Crata so na fe, one more asher sebe, bit me dear Jumanabua, our Yanima who demons some so mine. Adom TV Cassia course, and she would say, it was so.
Yes, who are running the system, so we shouldn't worry about it at all. And what it is that they have even done backups to ensure that the system does not degenerate. What we have to be concerned is that we have sufficient fuel driving the plants, and all the plants that are doing maintenance should up their game with the maintenance, so they operate at full throttle. And power is critical to the whole economy. Money should be found by even the Ministry of Finance to, if there's any shortfall in funds, so that we can generate enough power. We come back to the glorious 7 years of President Akufo-Addo, in which we didn't have these power outages. It shouldn't happen. He's been very, very, very good in trying to generate power for 7 years. I am acutely aware that the president is working seriously hard and will drive everybody to do what is needful, so that in the final analysis, we go to the good old days of President Akufo-Addo, 7 years that we didn't have any mess in terms of power. That is a legacy he wants to leave, and I don't think he will mess it up.
So how many entities more to appear before the committee?
Right now we have VRA, to come for us to look at what they are doing. Whatever entity we have to deal with will be subsequent to what we are doing now. But the critical one.
Adom TV, Badwam Cassia na Oshano, na we a yame and a belmoon cantessa, Yankasa, Yenia, and then word Mamuha Samuel, Asante Bosumpim, Kenipa be a Bruno Kuno Kra, Chirese, while Trema will be Bema, Ira, a war, choco, lamte, mammy. Na Yamani Boni Prince also see a Dunyano. And in the Dinkomway.
Kuja Madame Fubi, Nana Neji. Every year, I may be feeling. Kujina Lante Mammy, Semipewe, Kanishika, Intinaga be a trimu, Nambisani say. Anum, Menya Kanishika, Anum, Tinomu to Nomonam, Bakuni Fimi, na second one, Ekachemiso, Anum, Menya Kanishika, Anum. It's a guy in a choir, no Sansani Chibai. Or by no. Ojina odi mi de na mu se no oyeden oye course me film na me yeden kan si trotro kan bi beden e bi gina e na me fai ti me nua ba ko no na we kan tu ko e ya ko ama passenger bi anu su gina kan so be faka se wono mana boys na me nimpo se ye de moto e di echi so e bi kan gina na guy ne bai no obe ka se na me na we bie me na ni fe ni ani imbe laje na me no bakuni ka se ko nyi yashi na me nwan ka chem so de nyede yensi ti esifika ni mu no ka chem se nko ba bi wo no we ko emo ni aba femo no ku na me ya sense mini mfi ne ke femo ni femo no ku ni ke me no ku ni mfi ti na me ka se bia ska pono me de o mu bisa later ka se menye na ne de ne be ma ne mbra no ka se we enu keke no ka chem se we me mama ne kote ayela anche ina mu se o mu kru mu na anu o mu bitwa enwu hye ne bi mu ni ebi mu bu poma so ne izimamba de ototoa to an enye no ki anka hu anka to an bo me ba to an fama so ne bo nti dynamic gina na e board dan no na to peti gu me hu sanka enye se danka bi am gina na onya position anka me anu no omu se mini bi omu bo me no e mama so we no ase no me ujira ni sena so kasa me sheda enye den entini ti doctor no e ma me asumi dro ni bi ase me de gum na before ankasa me ka chere doctor no ofade bi no de no so light ade no light e wo ne to no odi ru amasum no check no ka chem se moja
Adom TV Badwam Cassia na Oshano yeto so de akoyensa mfoforo mu dia na Interior Minister Henry Korti ene de kosimu den mabambofo me kire posifo okoja wabusia e wo airport ano ma hye uniform ebubu mmara so no ne ade obesere ontwe ho film ne mmara ne nyana adwuma ewo airport ho de kasa ne nkyeremu Adom TV etwas Emakuo ya womoka National Association of Institutional Suppliers ho bo wontrimo pose wonomo ekwa akobo wonsesen wasuyeye hwe ngumasua ho ni nyina ne ye womo sika be 100 million cedis aban no ede won ka ne niam ahodo bi nanso ade kyen ye nra no prince also asi eduko ho ne de na won asesa wadwene mu nkyeremu Adom kase etwaso
National Association of Institutional Suppliers eye womanfo a womo enema asukufo enuane womo mo books edisua de ene ntade ehye ene dei womo ababegu eye asoye a womo enehwe adesua ewonsem so ni nyina ne se womo ekyese asoye ede omoka over 100 million na womo ehwe nim so osoafo a ono eneda asoye na no ono abo educhum ebetua se sikei ede amom Adom News ene womanfo a womo egu he bi etwetwe nkomo Omienti nsema omode tu ye nim ne bi.
Enti enne day yanga fa Piketon kwanso ade kasa kire ne se niema na ye pamon eye yanga nkasa yensika ene ye de koto material no na ye pamon ayro ho samne ne se ye koji loan chomo sisi yang osisi yango
Assistant Secretary Emma Ekuono Patrick Ansan edit to Adom News in Central for him say womo ekohia osoafo no wode ato omonim say hwebe nyame yadoma efi na wotwe fufura ebesimu no empenifo ebehwe na womo etua womo eka no ede amom
yempenifo yekohia minister no e no say wate yasem no e wasopemu ye eka na omode no 2 tranches 2021 to 2022 academic year 2022 to 23 academic year now I share bo say enkosi next week Wednesday, that's from Monday to Wednesday no mehwe no effective payment omechi obi
Badwam kase no so na yenkonsam no emu mampani abedi a kire Dr. Mahmoud Bawumianso ahye ebo kire aban no na chitaye a wode tai Chief Justice eni so ade hunu ne botaye se ebema atentene ne This
is not about its trappings, but its utility. I am happy that the Honorable Lady Chief Justice, just like her predecessors, has answered this important call, and by doing so is leading the third arm of the state to make the promise of our nation evident in the lives of our people, and extend to all the protection that is theirs by birth.
Ya abuafo national president awoda Ghana Bar Association ano odi atuja se ekuo no aye krado se wonom ebe time maame no achi sebe ya obetumi aye adwuma wo pese wo ye no yi.
We at the Ghana Bar Association have no doubt about the capacity of a leadership to bring real leadership to the judiciary and in the administration of justice in Ghana. It is instructive to state her leadership is leading the judiciary at a very critical and significant stage in our country, a stage where there is more awareness among the people from whom justice emanates about their rights and expectations of propriety, and more integrity from our judges and staff of the judicial service, and an equal demand from the citizenry for more accountability and efficiency of the judiciary. It is also a stage that has also witnessed one of the most remarkable and bold efforts at infrastructure developments that has led to the building of new modern court buildings and bungalows at the different levels of the judiciary.
Adom TV Badwam kase na hana brema kwan na no pay mediasie medase mrani adaje a wode hye brana sonde awrade mfa nkomra somdue mu na emomunye o hyenkani a utimi hye live on Facebook/Adom TV extra call baby obedro bia na Go TV a 119 channel a obenya Adom TV and DSTV nso a 280 o YouTube nso a search Adom TV tube obenya ye ne dwumadie no nyina mitwa me hukuma yaba omanhene kwabna sante wo ho na fe de obonkrata na nsema hodo bia wo ho nso ye de asomo e basisi a ye nchakra